It's already August and Independence Day is just around the corner. So you teachers need to plan something nice to celebrate Independence Day with your kids. Welcome to our LilBeez YouTube channel. Celebrate Independence Day at your preschool with such simple yet colorful crafts.
What is this? This is a national flag, right? What color is there? What color comes here?
Orange color.
Yes, and here?
Blue color.
Yes, and here?
Green color.
Yes, very good. So, today we'll be doing the sponge dabbing. This helps us improve the fine motor skills. We'll be doing the blue color in the center. So, do the sponge dabbing, okay? Hold it. Hold it.
So just to go about this activity, the teacher will take some 3 colors related to the flag and the child will do the sponge dabbing. For children not to get messy with the colors, the sponge is just stuffed into the all-out caps and the child will hold the top of the cap and do the dabbing very sweetly, not at all getting messy, and they'll be enjoying the fun activity and they'll also know the importance of Independence Day and flag.
What do you say on Independence Day? Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day.
My name is Bhavya. I'm taking nursery C section.
My name is Sumana. I'm a teacher of nursery. Today we are going to do the activity on Independence Day. The activity name is Tricolor Tree. So now we are going to stick this green color. Take this. Stick here.
These are nursery children. For them, a little more innovative. So here the teacher has painted a tree already on a chart paper with some grass down, and there the children will be pasting the pre-cut flowers of the flag color, that is green, white and orange. So the teacher will apply Fevicol on the paper cut flowers and the child will put it in the right place for the tree to be completed.
In this way we have made the tricolor tree for the Independence Day by the children.
Hi, I'm Dhanalakshmi. I'm a LKG teacher.
Myself, I'm Ashwini. I'm a LKG teacher. Today we are going to do Independence Day activity. So now I am doing the activities, tear and paste activity. First I'll show. First I'll tear the saffron color paper, glossy sheet. Then I'll paste it here. Saffron color with close leaf. Now I'll tell my children to do this. Take Sathak, hold this paper. Tear small and do the activity.
These are LKG kids. For them, we had a tear and paste activity on our national flag. Children were given orange and green glossy paper to tear. They pasted the same to complete the activity.
Hello, my name is Veena. I am the class teacher of UKG. So today we are going to do rice sprinkling activity for Independence Day. Says children, today we are going to do the rice sprinkling activity. Okay? So this is India map. Now we will sprinkle the rice, that is green color, orange color, white color on the map. Okay? Shall we start? Yes. You have to sprinkle here. Okay?
Okay.
So first is which color?
Orange.
Orange.
These are UKG children. They are sprinkling the colored rice which the teacher has already prepared. She has mixed color to the rice, she has dried it, and the children will just sprinkle the rice to complete the India map with tricolors, that is orange, white and green, to complete the map activity. For more such preschool teaching videos, subscribe to our LilBeez YouTube channel.